Put some fish in it. I'm gonna get a hook in it. Let me see if I can put a hook. Don't make noise, huh? He's backing up. Oh, he's moving. Shh. He's going somewhere. Yeah, that's crazy. So you can swim wherever you want, Gabe. Oh. I'm gonna throw a bait in there. Let's catch that.
The turtle is like, what do you say? I forgot that big snake.
That's what I said here last week.
That's the one I saw, the snake from the thing. No, the turtle is sneaking up on it.
Yep.
Yeah, it's... No, the turtle is going where it is. Run, Jimmy, run. Swim, Jimmy, Jimmy. Swim, Jimmy, swim. No.
Bunch of turtle. Still they're stuck up. Wait for maybe hunting for a frog or something. Fish.